Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus or Rising from 15 till the 21st of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay. Libra, the overall energy for the connection right now. जिस दिन तुमको देखेगी नजर. We have the Chariot in reverse, the Moon card, the Five of Swords, bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. Okay. So, there is a lack of forward movement in the situation. There are lots of fears, insecurities, lots of what we call that, secretive and mysterious kind of energies are there. Mostly, this whole situation is run by fear and insecurities. And there's a lot of stressful energies around the situation. You guys are not able to think positive in this direction, even if you guys are trying your best to. This situation is kind of making you guys feel like things are not clear between you guys, even if you guys are trying your best to keep the communication clear, keep things going in a positive way, in a positive direction. They are not happening. There's lack of growth, there's lack of moving ahead. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. It's like fast moving energies. Everything is shifting so fastly, everything is changing so fastly in this dynamics that you guys are not able to make sense of this situation, like where it is going, why whatever is happening, what we should do next. So the mutual energy here is of fear, insecurities, and secretive and mysterious kind of energies, things not being clear. And this whole show is run by fear. Wow. And the lesson for this week is continuously thinking negative about the situation is not going to help you guys. Doing something about the situation, taking the action from your side in this direction is going to help you guys to figure out what you guys should do and what you guys should not do in this direction. Okay, cool. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. I was not able to find my rubber band, and now these hair are killing me. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. We have Ace of Cups. This person's feelings are all over the place. There are feelings, there are emotions, but those emotions are right now all over the place, and there are newfound emotions also. This could be a new person that you are dealing with. They have a lot of feelings for you, but they don't know what is going on your side, and what's your like stand on this energy between you and them. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups. Hmm. We have the Temperance, King of Cups, and the Six of Cups. Yeah, they're very patiently waiting for the time when things are going to be equal from both the sides, when you guys will be able to come together or come back together, especially if you guys have a history together. This person is seeking for some kind of reconciliation. They have newfound emotions for you, and now they feel like they should come back to you, or they should make the situation as real, as beautiful as it used to be at some point of time. If this is not about you, if you guys don't have any past together, any history together, this person is kind of comparing to somebody or something that they experienced in the past, and they feel the same kind of bond or energy with you. That's why they feel like being patient with the situation and being patient with the whole dynamics, so that things can become normal, or things can stabilize with time. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Knight of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like remaining very practical, mature, and grounded. At the same time, you feel like things are not moving forward in this department of your life, no matter how hard you're trying, how much you're trying. Things are delayed, or things are very slow moving, as if nothing is happening, right? Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles here. We have the Emperor, the Four of Swords, the Hierophant. Yes, you feel like remaining in control of your emotions, and you feel like remaining detached from the idea of moving in this direction until unless you are going to get the proper clarity and understanding of what you are going to get out of this situation. Are you going to get marriage kind of energy? Are you going to get the proper commitment? Are you able to see the spiritual bond between you guys? That's why you feel like keeping things kind of slow and low key, because you feel like until unless you are sure what is going to happen next in the situation, you should not be moving forward in this direction too quickly. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? What is wrong, honey? Yeah, my hair are looking exceptionally black today. Something like somebody did some kind of inking on them. Let's see their intentions. Three of Wands. Their intention here is to just wait and watch and hope for the best kind of outcomes that's going to be good for the highest good of both of you. Physically, this person is 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation. Physically, this person is 1 foot out, 1 foot in the situation, and they're mostly moving forward, but they're still hoping and waiting for some kind of good results or positive news. Let's clarify the Three of Wands here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, King of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. Right, they're waiting for the divine timing so that everything is going to be crystal clear between you guys. They will be either able to let you go completely, or they will be able, you guys will be able to come back together and make things move forward. They're waiting for the final results. They know right now this is not the final result of the situation, but they just want to rely on the divine timing, rely on the divine justice, that whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually, and then they will be able to get out of their head and get out of the stressful energies that they're continuously living in, not being able to sleep at night, anxious thoughts regarding this situation. So they think, so they want to let the divine play its role in the situation, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually, so that they will be able to either come towards you or completely leave the situation. Okay, basically this person wants to rely on divine and luck. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? King of Cups. From your side, you want to have a very mature and grounded, emotionally mature and emotionally grounded, emotional content kind of energy from your side. You don't want to be in that kind of situation where somebody is hating on you or you are hating on somebody. You want to maintain a very calm and composed and grounded kind of energy, right? Three of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Three of Wands, right? You want to choose that direction in your life where you are not going to get heartbroken again whatsoever, where you are going to find your ultimate happiness, ultimate peace, that you are definitely not able to find in this particular situation right now. So you just want to look forward to keep going in that direction where you are going to eventually find your happiness, find your contentment, and something that is going to make you feel good and happy and content from inside, emotionally mature and grounded from inside, stable and grounded from inside. Okay, that's your intention. And you are like, no, this is not the person or situation that's going to give me that. So let me wait for the right person, right energy. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 21st of December, Libra. Nine of Swords. It's like sleepless nights, anxious thoughts, creating stories and scenarios in your mind that you will not be able to think positive about. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords here. We have the Tower, the Nine of Wands, the Star. Oh. So you guys will be actually able to come out of this stressful and anxious state of mind. You guys will be able to take a stand for yourself. You will be able to understand what is your right path. Like, is this person your right path, or you should leave them completely behind? Then there is this energy of being optimistic and positive and open to the idea of healing yourself properly and letting the best happen for both of you. So finally, you are going to come out of your head and you will release this energy of trying to control each and everything, trying to control the outcomes of your love and relationship area, and you will be able to take a stand for yourself. You will be able to understand what you want and what you don't want in this direction. And accordingly, you are going to remain open and positive to the idea of healing and moving forward. A lot of healing, a lot of positive, a lot of positivity, and a lot of energy of, okay, let me be open and let me just heal myself and let the divine do its magic. Okay, awesome. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Libra. Let's see. We have the Chariot, the Two of Swords, and the Lovers. Yes, keep moving forward until unless you are very sure about a particular person or situation, if they are the one for you or not. If you should keep them in your life, like as a friend only, if you should keep them in your life as somebody with whom you can see a future with. You have to decide what you want, and eventually you will be able to do that. But until unless you are not 100% sure about this decision of yours, about what you should do and what you should not do in this direction, keep moving forward in your life. Don't keep your life stuck because of a particular person or situation. Focus on other areas of your life if this area is not that much positive or that much beautiful right now. And whenever you feel like you are at peace, emotionally and mentally balanced, then you can make the right choice or make the right decision accordingly. Okay, in this kind of energy, up in the air, confused, blocked, don't take any kind of life changing decision in this direction. Okay, whether it's regarding this particular person or situation or a new one. Hmm? Cool. Let's see. Let's answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life. Keep this in mind. This portion is also journal. It might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. And about my wheezing, I'm sorry. The season keeps on changing, and I have this wheezing issue from my childhood. And I'm doing whatever I could from my side. I just woke up. That's why it's a little triggered. And what else? I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds for the same to answer the question. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. Your time starts now. Okay. So you can take three deep breath. Ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. Okay, before making any kind of choice or decision in this direction, get more information. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances and then move accordingly. Okay, So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.